Naturtotal presents the Alkaline Bath Plus, a symbiosis of innovation and nature designed to redefine your skincare and wellness routine. Alkaline Bath Plus is more than just a bath additive, it's a personal entry into a deeper level of wellness. With our specially formulated blend of alkaline salts, Alkaline Bath Plus is designed to balance your skin's pH, neutralize excess acids, and promote a feeling of suppleness and softness. It's a simple but powerful blend, carefully designed to revolutionize your skincare routine. At Naturtotal, our goal is to create products that are not only effective, but also a pleasure to use. With Alkaline Bath Plus, your everyday bath becomes a luxurious wellness experience. Immerse yourself, relax, and recharge your batteries, all within the familiar surroundings of your own bathroom. The generosity of Alkaline Bath Plus is evident not only in its effectiveness, but also in its availability in a variety of sizes. This allows you to choose exactly the amount you need and immerse yourself in your personal wellness experience whenever you need it most. At Naturtotal, we believe in the uniqueness of each individual. That's why Alkaline Bath Plus is not a universal panacea, but a customized tool to help you tailor your wellness routine to your personal needs. Discover Alkaline Bath Plus from Naturtotal. Treat yourself to the wellness you deserve. Visit naturtotalshop.com now.